everybody, I'm Jen from the Creative Grassroots Garden. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to stay up to date with creative ideas and easy gardening tips. Today is March 19th and it's only one day before the start of spring. I'm located over in Zone 9 and the weather is beautiful. Here at the Creative Grassroots Garden, I have over 200 tomatoes growing. Tomatoes come in a wide range of colors and shape. There is over 10,000 different varieties. Solo cups are very helpful in the garden. It's a great idea for transplanting. All you have to do is label the cup and drill holes in the bottom. Separating and transplanting all the tomatoes is super easy. By using a small shovel, it makes it a lot easier separating the tomato plants. Here I have 2 tomato plants. All you have to do is grab it from the base and wiggle it apart. As long as your tomato plant has roots, it's ready to be transplanted. Once I pre-make my hole, I'll be planting the tomato plant about 1.5 inches deep. The deeper you plant your tomato plant, the stronger the roots and the stem will be. After placing the tomato plant inside the hole, I will then begin to lightly compact the soil. And it's just that easy to transplant your tomatoes. Here at the Creative Grassroots Garden, I have over 20 different varieties of tomatoes growing. Within the next day or so, I'll be sure to do a detailed video on all the different varieties. So you're probably wondering why I have so many tomatoes planted. Well, the same reason I started a YouTube channel. In about a month or so, when these tomato plants are ready, I plan on having a huge free tomato plant giveaway for my community. My goal is simply to inspire and encourage others to grow, and to share how easy it is to get started. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Thank y'all for taking the time to join me over at the Creative Grassroots Garden. I'm Jen. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day, everybody.